In a supermarket in Qujiangnu district of Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shaanxi province, over 70 staff members are sorting and packaging vegetables overnight. After being loaded on trucks, the vegetables will be delivered to different residential areas across the city. As of Wednesday, Xi'an had reported 1,117 locally transmitted COVID-19 cases in the latest resurgence since December 9. The city imposed a citywide lockdown, effective last Thursday, in an effort to curb the spread of the virus. To ensure the supply of daily necessities, Xi'an began preparing and delivering free essential food items on Tuesday night.
今天配备的这些相关的东西，我们有这个有挂面，有鸡蛋，有猪肉，我们还有这个鸡肉，还有相关的配料，还有这个蔬菜，配备的还是相对比较齐全的。
Residents living in Xinmen community of Xincheng district are lining up to receive the free daily necessities.
配菜的时候按这个人数的分量就给他不大中小配的不同的分量，一个人是3天是60块钱的标准。
Many residents in the megacity, which has a population of 13 million, received free food items provided by the local government on Wednesday.